October 2nd, 2020, writing. The following slides will contain a writing prompt with two possible explanations. After reading the explanations, you must respond on the final slide and tell which way is correct and why. So our prompt here is on the left, right up here. Shamika had to solve for the sum of 54 and 1500ths and 9 and 6700ths. So first, what we can do is solve it. What does that word sum mean? Oh yeah, that means adding. And when we're adding decimals, what do we do with those decimals? Line them up. So we're going to line up our decimals. We have 54 and 1500ths. That decimal point, that 1, the 5. And then we're adding, because she has to find the sum. Remember, that means adding. 9 and 6700ths. So 9. Ooh, make sure we're lining up our decimal points. Just like we said before, that 9 cannot go under the 5 because it's in the ones place. That 4 is in the ones place, so it needs to go under the 4 in the ones place. Same with our decimal. Line them up. And then we have 6700ths. 6700ths. And I'm going to draw our little bar here. There we go. All right, so what we're going to do now is add. So 5 plus 7 is going to give you 12. So we're going to put this 2 down here and carry that 1. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus another 1 is 8. What do we do with that decimal? Drop it low. 4 plus 9, or 9 plus 4, is going to give us 13. We're going to drop this 3 down. We're going to carry that 1. So we have 13. And then we have 5 plus 1, which is 6. So our answer here is 63 and 8200ths. Now, let's take a look at these ways. Way 2. Whoa, I'm so sorry. Way 1 and way 2. Woo! Let's make that way 2 down here and way 1 up here. My bad, you guys. So, way 1. First, line up the decimal points and digits by their places vertically. Is that what we did? We lined them up? Yes, we did. So I'm going to put that in green. And you are all doing very good with putting these in green and red and color coding and solving. And I'm very impressed. So keep up the great work. All right, so then it says where the hundredths digit of 7, yes, the hundredths digit of 7, is under the 5 in the hundredths place of 54 and 1500ths. Yeah, that's right. So I'm going to mark that as green. And the tenths digit of 6 is under the 1 in 54 and 1500ths. Yes, it is. Awesome. So far, we're doing good. Then, place the ones digit of 9 under the 4 in 54 and 1500ths. Yep, that 9 is under that 4. Yes, it is. Afterwards, drop your decimal point straight down in your answer place. Yes, we did. We dropped it low. Drop it low. And begin at the hundredths place, adding the digits from the right to the left. Yep, from the right to the left. Regrouping as needed. Yep, we regrouped as we needed to. And we were adding. So that was good. And the answer is 63 and 8200ths. 63 and 8200ths. Yes. But now let's double check. Let's look at our next one and color code those, because what if we made a mistake here? What if we made a mistake and way 2 was actually right? Let's take a look. First, line up the decimal points and the digits by their places vertically. Did we do that? Yes, we did. So that's good to go. Boop, boop, boop. Where the hundredths digit of 7, yes, is under the 5 in the hundredths place of 54 and 1500ths. Yes, it is. So far, they're both right. Could it be? And the 10th digit of 9 is under the 4. Well, the 9 is under the 4, but that's not in the 10th digit. That 10th digit is not 9. So I'm going to put that statement in red because that is not a correct statement. That 10th digit is a 6. That should be under the 1. The ones place is where that 9 is. So then place the ones digit of 9, yes, under the 1. Whoa, now they're like crisscrossing. So that's not correct either. Let's mark that as red. Afterwards, drop your decimal point straight down in your answer place. Yes, we did that. So at least they're not, way 2 is not completely wrong, but some parts of it will make the whole thing wrong. And then begin in the hundredths place, adding the digits from right to left, regrouping as needed. Yes, indeed, that's what we did. So not all parts of it are wrong, but it does make our answer incorrect because it says the answer is 131 and 5/100ths. That's not what we got. So they mislined up their decimal points. So we found out that way 1 is correct here. Way 1 is correct. And on this side, you're going to write how you found the answer, why you know it's way 1. What did you do? How did you solve the problem? And that's what you're going to put over here. So again, way 1 was correct because all of this is green. We checked through the whole thing. Way 2 is not fully correct, but some parts of it are. So our answer is way 1. Great job for your writing.